Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an A to E assessment with scenario. In this station, you will be given papers which include patient scenario, candidate brief, news chart and candidate note. This form just for your use only. The examiner is not going to correct this form. Let's read the candidate briefing. You are registered adult nurse working on the surgical assessment unit. Please conduct a holistic assessment of the patient's physical, psychological, spiritual, and sexual care needs. As part of your assessment, please complete and verbalize an A to E assessment, which is airway, breathing, circulation, disability, exposure. Take manual observation and record the patient's vital signs, which is blood pressure, temperature, pulse rate, oxygen saturation, and respiratory rate. Verbalize the results to the patient. Having recorded the patient's vital signs, please calculate a National Early Warning Score, new score. Depending on the patient's circumstance and condition, you may wish to focus on some areas of assessment in more depth than others. In the next station, you will be required to use the information gathered from your assessment to write a plan of care for two aspects of cares. Please note that there is no need to remove the patient's clothing to assess exposure. Please ask the examiner for any additional clinical information you require. All equipment has been checked, calibrated, and is clean. An observation chart is provided and must be completed in full within the station. This document must be completed using a blue pen. You have 20 minutes to complete the station, including the completion of the following documentation. News chart. Assume it is today and it is 10 hours. On your exam day, you don't need to read this form fully because this candidate briefing, it's all same in every time. Just go through the highlights points only. Let's see the patient scenario. Here is the patient name as Porter, date of birth 1/1/1950, address 1 Sweet Street, West Chair, WW6 5PQ, and also here is the GP's information, presenting complaint, past medical history, social history, drug history, and allergies. On your exam day, you don't need to read full of them. Just go through the patient name, date of birth, address, and the allergic history. This is our candidate note and news chart. Once you finish reading the highlights points and then do the hand wash or gel hand using WHO guideline. Wear the PPE. Now approach the patient with the scenario, news chart, and patient note. Hello, my name is Sarah, one of the registered nurse here. Would it be alright, can I touch your wristband to check ID? Could you please tell me your full name, date of birth, and your address? Do you have any allergies for food, medication, or latex? Are you in pain? Could you please rate your pain, 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being worst pain? Would it be okay if I proceed with the assessment? Okay, basically I'm going to do an A to E assessment, so that's include a need to assess your airway, breathing, circulation, disability, and exposure. Okay, I'm going to proceed now with the airway. I can see that the patient can speak clearly in full sentence and also there is no visual obstruction. Porter, would you be able to take a deep breath please? Also, are you able to cough? Okay, I can see that the patient's airway is clear. I can see that there is no audible respiratory noises such as rattle, wheeze, stridor, and coughing. I can see no visual sign of respiratory distress such as user accessory muscles, cyanosis, sweating, and seesaw breathing. Porter, would it be alright if I put my hands on your chest just to check for the equal air entry? I want you to inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Thank you, Porter. Now, oxygen saturation. Miss Examiner, is this machine is clean and ready for use? Porter, I'm going to place this pulse oximeter on your finger. Is that alright with you? I can see that the finger is clean, there is no sign of infection and no nail varnish. I'm going to check your pulse. Would it be alright to touch your wrist? I'm going to do this for 2 minutes. If they're okay? Porter, I spent 1 minute for respiratory rate, 1 full minute for heart rate. I didn't tell you before because it wouldn't alter the readings. I'm going to check your blood pressure. Is that okay? Porter, would it be alright? Can I just do it this hour? The skin is clear, there is no sign of infection and a wound. Porter, have you had any surgery on your right arm? How about on your right breast side? This may cause a little bit of discomfort when the cuff inflates, but it wouldn't take that long, okay? Porter, your blood pressure is 128/82, which is normal. Would it be okay if I just check your capillary refilling time? I just need you to trace your finger level to your heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Porter, your capillary refilling time is less than 2 seconds, which is normal. I'm going to place my hands on your upper and lower extremities to check your power and perfusion. Is that okay? Can I touch you? Normal perfusion and warm to touch. Now move to disability. I can see that the patient is alert and oriented. Porter, you said a while ago that you don't have a pain. Is still the same? Or do you have any pain at all? Porter, how is your urine output by the way? Do you have any problem walking on going to the toilet? Or how about your mobility? How's your bowel movement? You open your bowel regularly? Porter, how about your blood sugar? Porter, would it be alright if I just check your temperature? Mix examiner. This thermometer, clean and ready for use. I'm going to place it on your forehead. Your temperature is 36.6, which is fine. Do you have any bruises or any wound in your body? So your skin is intact. How about your past medical history? I can see that your past medical history is broken arm age 8, hypertension since 2005 and glaucoma since 2017. Is that true? Porter, I'm now finished with your assessment. Would it be okay if I just record it? Porter, we are finished with your assessment. Your early warning score is 0. Your parameters are within normal range. Okay, now check the ADLs, which is physical, psychological, spiritual and social. If the ADLs that has been highlighted during your exams, then only you have to ask the question under that heading. Just 1 or 2 questions. Porter, do you have any concern? Are you comfortable at the moment? Okay, Porter, now I have to go. If you need anything else, just press this call button. Thank you so much for today. Clean the articles properly, remove your PPE and wash your hands or gel your hand. And one more thing, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more OSCE videos. Thank you. Good luck.